To invite friends to play Madden NFL 26 together, you have a couple of ways to do so, and it actually depends on what kind of game mode you want to play. If you want to play a quick 1v1 match, then you can go to, for example, online head-to-head. So let's go over here. And after that, you can choose H2H play a friend, so we can just start it. And if you set up game settings, then you can invite a friend that you want to play with. Simple as that. There is also the Superstar KO mode, which is available in Quick Play over here. So we can go to Superstar KO. And what you need to do is simply switch over here to PAF, which is Play Against Friends. You can adjust the mode. And once you're ready, you can just press play over here. You will have to enter this matchmaking password. And your friend has to go to the same mode, and they will have to enter the same password as you. So both of you have to enter the same matchmaking password in order to connect together. And there is, of course, the franchise mode as well that you can play together. So in this case, what is quite important is to have a league that is online. So if you don't have the online mode enabled for the league, or in other words, if you didn't start the online franchise, then you will have to do so, unfortunately. So if you started offline, you want to be able to invite. I have already created a quick league, so let me just quickly join. And if you want to invite your friend to your league, what you can do is you can go to the, not league, the options over here. And you want to go to members. You can pick any team and we can find invite user. And we can invite by entering the ID of our friend or by choosing from friends list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.